Shocked as everybody is, Gwamina Balang shocked ukuthi how could a husband, well, ex-husband, do this to his ex-wife that he claims that he loves so much and so dearly that he could not do anything to her, to harm or hurt her. How would you even have the guts ukuthi umvalele umbophe njengesposhwa? While we are still shocked, what shook me out of everything and I wanted to slip out of the chair is what shook everybody. Untutuko, umtunzi, utembelihle, everyone is shocked with how does it come about that Madlomo realized or the husband has the ex-husband, uyena umtumbile, but she still wants to protect him. She doesn't want him to go to jail. She says, over and above everything that has happened, ngiyamazi mina uNhloso akayena lo muntu engicanga ukuthi uyena ikhona into engahambi kahle ngaye and I need him to get help. Yo, hayi cha, uthando lwakhe is deep. Uthando lwalaba boyi-2 is deep and iba worse ke mtase because the current boyfriend lo amithe umntana wakhe, he's now worried ukuthi kahle kahle ngubani mina. And I'm just worried ukuthi uMadlomo, this thing, let it not change Mthunzi to become the Mthunzi that he was Mthunzi before he met her. Because what? Because what do you mean? Guti, everyone, the whole world, even the cats and dogs were worried about you, and then you're gonna come back with the person Oktumbile, and you still want to go back to the scene of crime. Kanjan. And you don't want that person to be arrested or something. Agajeziswe luto nix. And you don't even show any remorse. Hayi, inkulu ke ndaba lento le uNhloso wayisho kuyena uMadlomo inkulu le ukuthi wathelwa ngenyongo inkulu, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Scandal. Ndimadekwana sanibonani abusheni molweni minjani hibukela hingongwena. So namuhla kanono kwa hina wa Scandal hikuma kurusula kange kahle, looking at the fact that Utsiri is still continuing with the lie that she lied while she lied to Divet. Now Divet is thinking of taking her to hiking, but the problem is she's claiming that she can't go to hiking because yena agaphilile kahle, khanda lakhe alithathi kahle. Khanda lakhe alikho right. So if she do that, then uzoba nenkinga, which is something that umngani wakho uyamtshela ukuthi lalela girl, you just need to tell the truth and snap out of it, because this is it's going to end up in a very messy it's gonna end up messy. Angazwa lutho. And futhi kubeka ngathi maduze bazoshada. Utalita stuck in jail, and people since because they've just revealed her identity in jail, and agahambi kahle to a point where she even wanted to bribe the warden there, and the warden was like, ufuna ukundinyoba kanjani? Whoa. Anyway, on the other hand, yeah, she eventually got the look at the imfuna. And the Meli says that Yena, he does not want to get her hands dirty into doing anything that is illegal. What she is going to do is to legally represent her and make sure that everything is done above board. Because she asked Lomeli wake ukuthi yena udinga 3,000. Low 3,000, which means that it's the money that she's going to keep her protected inside jail, because people in the jail cells, they bafuna imali balkwethu, and if she does not have money, then her face will be dislocated like how she's looking right now. So lo mmeli wakhe, so what is a bishop something? She said, she's not going to get her hands dirty. Somebody must do it. And then she went and had a conversation with Utoriso. Toriso, who Utapelo is not happy about hore. Okay, rentse re buile Toriso, and then rabolela hore ha re tlo go tsena ko maragarageng a. But wena wa tsena o tsentsha letsogo a re o mo itshwaretse mama or o hiragalang a re hawa, it's not gore ke mo itshwaretse, but I cannot let her suffer on my watch like that. Yes, o irile phoso, but however, she must suffer while I just watch. That's the heart of a child to the mother. But a lot is at stake here. Then she went ahead about the chalete ya gore akre moelele. And then that moelele is the one the mother ukumufake khoneni ukuthi ayenze izinto eziphume endleleni. So now the moelele went to Teresa and said, your mother needs money. And ngiyazi ukuthi ujele imali ayingeni. So kumele wenze iplani ukuthi imali ingena kanjani-ke kuyena because she needs protection inside. Wathi kena are you gonna hambisa the malume welathi lutho maybe no lathi uyani nanefo. You will do it, and Toriso is about that life and she's ready to go there to rock and roll. Udinhle walked to the scene when Unkoso ayehlisa uMadlomo, and then she realized ukuthi indoda yakhe ibethumbu uMadlomo, which means that this love is still very strong from her husband. She couldn't even be upset and shouted at him because he was not talking either. Ngathi danda losukodudzulane. But then umkhulukasa decided to call the mother and said kumele ukhuphuke because khona into enzekile la. Umthunzi bekathumbe uMadlomo utholakele alright, umthunzi alright, kodwa kumele ukhuphuke uzosibonisa ukuthi yile nto enzakala lana, we will need your assistance. But uDinhle is just so disappointed at kwangiphinda lokho. Kodwa-ke mina ngithi-ke gele akukuphinde every day over and over again uze ubone ukuthi uthatha indoda yomuntu. It's not the right thing to do. But anyway, Untloso is just stuck there. He's not talking to anyone. He's not saying anything to anyone. It's like even if you're trying to shout at him, it's like he does not hear you because he is just quiet, maybe just taking in what he has done. And also considering what Malilea didn't go and pay school fees, he went and bought a car that he never used, trying to escape. So which is a problem now. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you on my next upload. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you, and also remember, we do not post full episode, we review full episode daily.